everybody! Today we're going to be making totally terrific tahini salad dressing. You're going to love this. This is a salad dressing that we're going to use throughout our cleanse/detox program. I laid out everything you need. We have olive oil, gluten-free tamari, apple cider vinegar, honey, garlic, salt, pepper, and tahini. I think that's about it. All right, so you ready? This is so super simple and easy to make. We're going to take 1 cup of our olive oil. I already measured that out. And today I'm using the NutriBullet because this is really easy and we can keep it and store it in here. We're going to use ½ a cup of the apple cider vinegar. Remember, this is the apple cider vinegar that has the mother floating around in it, and it's raw and it's really, really great for the body. And we're going to do ½ a cup. I always go a little lower than over on apple cider vinegar, and you can always adjust the taste. All right, now we're going to do tamari. Here it is. We're going to do 2 tablespoons. It's going to give it a nice salty flavor, but not too salty. Sometimes they have the low sodium version. You can always get that too, but it gives it a nice little flavor. And that is gluten-free because this is about being gluten-free this week. Okay, now we're going to take our tahini. This is tahini. Tahini is made out of sesame seeds. Little tiny little sesame seeds. And you know what? Sesame seeds are loaded with calcium. Whoa, we don't need to drink milk to get calcium? Oh, we can get some from our sesame seeds. These are ground up. It comes raw or roasted, so you can look for either variety. We're gonna do ½ a cup. And sometimes, because it's a natural seed, the oil is going to be on the top. So what you can do if you know you're gonna be using it the night before, just flip it upside down, let it sit on your counter, and the oil will kind of go through it, and it won't be sitting on the top. It'll kind of automatically mix it. And then I keep mine in the refrigerator. So it's great. Okay, we've got our tahini. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. Where's my honey? I've got my organic honey. Again, honey comes raw. I'm gonna show you something too. Watch this. If you don't want the honey to stick to your, use my fingers, your measuring spoon, my fingers are clean, you can just put some olive oil in there and then the honey's gonna slide out really, really nice. So you've got 2 tablespoons of honey, give it a nice sweetness, and honey has a lot of nutrients also that are great for your health. Remember, this is a nutrient-dense cleanse. This is not when we're starving ourselves and not eating enough, all right? So there's that honey, and it just poured out really, really nice. Okay, garlic. Everything tastes better with a little garlic in it, don't you agree? And garlic is just great for warding off viruses. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial. So I always love using garlic, and we're just going to use our garlic press. We're going to get a workout. Maybe we'll do a couple of bicep curls here. You know, we can work out. Let me move this so you can see while we're working in the kitchen. Okay, we're going to squeeze that. Oh, we're definitely getting a workout there. And then we're just going to do a little salt. This is Celtic sea salt and a little pepper. Is this easy? I know it is, and I know you can do this, and you're going to love this salad dressing. So we're just going to put the cap on, flip it over, and you know what? I give it a little shake, and if you don't have a little mixer like this, you could use a glass bottle and just shake it up and down. All right, great, that's it. Now, we can always add anything we want. Let's see how it tastes. It's delicious. I love it. I know you're going to love it. And watch this. I have a cap right here. I just put that right on. we're good to go. We're gonna pop this in the refrigerator and we're gonna be using it on our salads all week long. All right, enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. One thing I forgot to tell you, since we're gonna be using this all week and we're gonna be having it in the refrigerator, it might get hardened or thick because it has those natural oils in it. Remember, our body needs those natural oils. So all you need to do is either add a little bit of water, a little olive oil, you can blend it back up, mix it back up, or even just run it under some hot water and you'll be good to go. All right, now I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.